Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Happy Friday. Welcome to another Equality for All Makers Collaboration card. If you've missed it, my friend Michael Trent and I have created a collab where we are highlighting Pride themed cards through the end of June, which is Pride Month. I will have the introduction video linked down below along with our Facebook group. So this is open to everyone. You can use the hashtags, you can join us over the Facebook group. We are posting a Pride themed card every Friday until the end of Pride Month. And then going forward, we are also going to spotlight other marginalized groups, those who are facing oppression, etc. in the US and also around the world. So in today's video, I actually made this card a couple of months ago because we were supposed to start this collab a couple of months ago, and then you guys know I got COVID and blah, 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 blah. But anyway, I made a wedding card and I used the really cute kind of Cinderella themed set from, not Clearly Besotted, Misty, Heffy Doodle. And oh, I love the way this card turned out. So I'm going to walk you through coloring the little grooms. I made a sentiment on my computer because that sentiment is basically impossible to find. That is one of the reasons why I wanted to do this collab, is because there's not much inclusivity in the crafting world, especially in the paper crafting stamping world, and which is really a disservice because so many design teams have international multi-ethnic teams but no representation. So yeah, so you can agree with that or not agree with that. It's completely up to you. If you want to join us, there are hashtags and you can join the group if you want to, if you're not on Facebook, and that's cool. Again, we're posting every Friday until the end of Pride. And then going forward from that, I'm not sure what we'll do, but we'll brainstorm together and come up with something. So yeah, anywho, let's head over to the craft table and I'm going to walk you through this really fun card. I'm also going to share Michael's information in the description box down below. So yeah, anyway, okay, let's go to the craft table. I am a very sad panda. I lost the coloring footage to this, and I think it's because I colored this right before I colored Rob's Valentine's Day card, and you guys know I lost that footage too, so I apologize. But yeah, you guys have seen me color a lot, but it's such a cute stamp set, basically Cinderella themed. So if it's still available, I hope you'll check it out. But so I colored one little groom in purple and I colored the other groom in kind of like a peachy pink color. And then I colored the Cinderella, not castle, carriage. And let me tell you, if I had the money, I would do a Cinderella wedding at Disney World. I still want to go to Disney World. I don't know that it'll ever happen. Maybe sometime in my life that'll happen. But yeah. Okay, so this is a pad of paper from Queen & Co. I believe this is called Heartthrob. Don't quote me. It was one of their kits. And it's such a pretty color story and the colors went really well together. And I'm doing a simple kind of layout for this. Just doing 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and then doing like a 2-inch in the middle, and then we're cutting out a heart. So you can see my phone up on the top of your screen. I almost always have some kind of YouTube video going on in the background, or I'm listening to a podcast. I think I've mentioned before that I've been hooked on the Murdaugh murders from South Carolina. That is some crazy stuff. Let me tell you. Holy Moses. Or I'm watching makeup videos, so that's why you almost always get a voiceover. Plus it takes me, I'm a slow crafter, a slow colorer, so it's just easier for me to do these voiceovers. So yeah, so I'm sorry that you're missing a lot of the card, but I'm still going to show you the best parts. So as I mentioned in my kind of intro, we are focusing on Pride cards now, or cards that could be used by someone in the community. Like this is 2 grooms. If you knew how impossible it is to find stamps like this, it's just, I don't want to say insanity. It's just such a huge disservice because there's so many people in the community on the spectrum who are in the crafting community. And there's almost nothing that represents. I mean, Stamp Anything is one of the only companies that has dedicated stamps and sentiments and stuff. And it's just, again, it's a disservice, but it's not just the gay community. Like I said, we're highlighting them now because of the legislature issues, because of this kind of war on gays, which doesn't make a hill of bean sense. But, we also have the issue with different ethnicities and different religions. And I know a lot of times people are like, well, it has to sell. I can guarantee you they would sell. In fact, Stamp Anything is sold out of several of their things. So I think it's more about just being a voice and, knowing that there are other people out there who deserve to be able to make cards like this to give to people they love, whether that's their spouse, their partner, whether that's a brother or a sister or a mother or a father or someone in their life that they love, that they want to celebrate with, they should have that opportunity. So here's the basic layout. Again, this is Queen & Co. paper, and I went and created my own sentiment. I wanted to freeze frame here. So this says, wishing you years of love, light, and laughter. And again, I just created that on my computer using a pretty font and getting it uploaded. So we're going to put that on the inside. And then for the outside, I created a sentiment that says Mr. and Mr. using the same font. I believe this is a font I downloaded from Creative Fabrica. I need to do a video and let you guys know because I do have a membership and I have been using the heck out of it, let me tell you. So I'm going to go ahead and get that adhered with some dimensional adhesive. And then I wanted to add a couple of things on the outside. You guys saw the card, the burger and fries. That was Rob's Valentine's Day card. So I'm going to bring in these dots. These are from a very old Echo Park kit. You guys know I used to get their kits. But once I do that, then this is done. I'm sorry I didn't have the coloring, but I still wanted to share this card because I think it's really cute. And again, it's something that we need more of in our crafting community. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Join us if you'd like. All the information is down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.